Hello everybody. So in today's video I wanted to show you a bit inside YouTube Studio and basically show you what you can see when you're actually looking inside here and what it all actually means really. You can see your latest video performance, so we've just uploaded this basically, so you can actually see how it's performing. If you've obviously, if I upload a video tomorrow, that's going to change there. You've got your news, you've got your channel analytics here, so it actually shows you what views are going up. So obviously our views have gone up by 196%. How many watch time hours has there been? So 11.3 in the last 28 days. Shows you your top videos as well. Your most recent subscribers, which isn't always fully accurate because I know they are not our latest subscribers and that we've had different ones. So obviously that isn't fully accurate. You can see all your videos as well. But the thing that I really like is I love the analytics side. So on the analytics side, it's obviously you want to make sure that you're constantly growing and going up and up and up. So you can see what are your views over the last 28 days. So you can see how it's actually looking. You can see the hours, how many hours have been watched. And I find it amazing to think that 11.3 hours of my content has been watched this month. And that's fantastic. So obviously we are just starting out with our YouTube channel, but it's fantastic just to know about that piece of information. We've had an extra 15 subscribers as well. So obviously it's all going up, so we're happy. You can see your top videos in the period of time to see what's actually working the best. And then that might judge, right, what videos am I going to do from now on? So obviously I can see from us, the Zapier video did very well. A simple tech issue did really well. Trello, an active campaign, and Zapier again. So it could be that I focus on these things instead of something else. Then you've got your reach section in here as well, so you can actually see how far it's gone out, that video basically. So how many people actually had that video. So it tells you how many times your video thumbnails were shown to somebody. So you can actually see, right, well, we're appearing but nobody clicked on it. So maybe I need to actually change the thumbnail to make it more attractive, for instance. Obviously shows you the click-through rate, so 3.5%, so that is going up. So what that means is out of them 3.4 thousand people, 3.5% of them actually clicked the video. So on here, you can actually see the traffic source as well, which I actually find this quite good because I used to think that most people found my video from me actually sharing it. So external, this is what this would be, or actually direct as well. So that could also sometimes, depending on the social media platform, come under there. But it's actually YouTube search. So actually 34.8% of people found my video through YouTube search. So it's fantastic to know that piece of information because you know that your YouTube video is ranking for some keywords for you. So on here as well, you can see what you are actually getting found for. So I'm getting found for Trello, active campaign, both obviously just a space in between one and not, C920 and Gmail. So I can see what people are searching. So if I'm getting found for Trello, well, I might want to put some more Trello videos out there because obviously I'm appearing up for that. So it's fantastic to see that piece of information. So here's obviously the external source. So I can see that from Facebook and LinkedIn, and that comes from that stat there. Then we've got our traffic source, so suggested videos. So you've probably had it before where you've been on YouTube and then on the right hand side it tells you some suggested videos. So this shows you what I'm appearing at, what videos are actually appearing up there. So on here I can see that the Logitech C920 flickering issue, that is actually showing up on YouTube on the suggested videos, and I can see about the Trello one again. 100% probably going to need to look at the Trello one to try and get some more out there as well. So I love this part, it's absolutely fantastic. We've got an engagement, so we can see how many people are actually viewing it, how long. So the average duration is 2 minutes 18 seconds. And then how many watch hours again. You can see if people are clicking on your end screen. So at the moment people aren't really clicking on our end screen, so we may need to tweak it a little bit to try and attract some more clicks on there. You can see obviously your top videos. So my top video is the Introduction to Email Marketing Masterclass, which is actually an unlisted video. So what that means is it is on my YouTube, but it's not public. You can only access that if you've got the link. So it's meaning that it's still showing me them stats though. They are still counting towards my stats. We can see here again the top end screen elements, so the most recent upload, which was the only video that got clicked basically. Then we've got our audience. So on here we can actually see how many unique views we've got, the subscribers, and the average views per person as well. And what's interesting, you can see your watch time from subscribers. So actually I've got 86.3% of people who are watching my videos but they're not subscribed, which to me means I am not being good enough in saying please subscribe to my video. So I'm going to up that and just tell you right now, if you're watching this video, please click the subscribe button. And I want to repeat it again because I need to up my game on that. So this is why these analytics come in really, really handy for you basically. And we can see that it's mixed between several countries really. So we've got United States and United Kingdom, but then there's also going to be other ones within there. You can actually see viewer age as well. If you had all that information, you need a lot more data basically. So you need like thousands and thousands of people coming to this page. So that is a quick look at the analytics section, and I do love it. I think it's absolutely fantastic place, and if you've got a YouTube channel and you're really going to make a go for it, you need to keep an eye on this section to find out what's working and what's not. In here you've got your content, so you can see all the videos that you've got. So in here you can see I've got a lot of unlisted videos because these are for my courses that I have. We've got as public videos, we've got some private videos in here because we do use it for quite a lot. And then you've got in your playlist, you can see all the playlists that you actually have as well. The comment section is quite good, so it lets you know if you haven't responded to any comments. So we can see in here, have we not responded to anything? And then if you don't want to put that on there, that filter, you can cross it off and you can basically just see all your comments, and it tells you on what video was that comment. So like on here, we've got a comment on that one, we've had a few comments on this video. But the filter is actually quite good because it means you can see if you've not basically responded to a comment. The subtitles section, I don't technically use this myself, I actually get my subtitles from elsewhere, but you can add subtitles in through here. Monetisation, we can't show you that yet. We need 1,000 subscribers and we need to have 4,000 watch hours over the last 12 months. So what happens with monetisation, you've probably had it where you've watched a YouTube video, a Google ad or something like that's popped up, some sort of ad has popped up, and you watch it, so you've got to wait so long before you skip it. Basically that's how YouTubers earn their money. So if you're using YouTube as your money maker, they need people to actually watch them advertisements to be able to get paid. So if someone watches it for up to that skip there ad, they get a small portion. But if someone actually watches the full ad, they get an even more bigger portion, basically, of the money. So if you have got an ad blocker or anything like that installed on your browser, you're actually preventing people getting their hard-earned money. So I never ever use one of them because I always value the fact that people are trying to make money as well. Obviously my page isn't to make money, my page is literally to improve my basically branding of my business and awareness around me. So that's where you'd see that anyways. On your customization section here, this is where you can customize your channel. So you've got here a channel trail for people who haven't subscribed and a featured video for returning subscribers. So our returning subscribers get our latest video, and then our channel trailer we can add a video in. So we can just add that basically into there. Or you might actually make a specific trailer that's not actually just any old service, it's specific for that actual saying come and watch my YouTube channel. You can add different sections in as well. So we could add a section in here and it could be a single playlist and it could be active campaign. So then if you can see here we've got active campaign, that one actually there. We might want to add another playlist which would be, we'll go for the quick tips. So then people can see that on our channel. So if I click publish now, our YouTube channel looked like this. How to videos and uploads. So if we go to it now, how to videos, active campaign, quick tips, and it has changed that video, that first video that actually appears. So yeah, that's a fantastic. You've got your audio library. So this is basically all the music that you can use that you've basically got royalty free. So you can use all of this on any of your videos and it'll never get pulled up. And then obviously you have your settings where you can basically change anything in regards to that. So that's just an overview of the YouTube Studio, which might be handy for some people who are just starting out with YouTube and having no idea what they're doing and where they can find things out. So basically that's where you can find everything out. And obviously the biggest part for me is the analytics. I think it is super, super powerful. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and because I'm improving on something, because I've looked at my analytics now in YouTube Studio, please hit that subscribe button. We really do appreciate it. Our content is all genuine, non-salesy. We just want to help people and actually get people more friendly with the technology that's available to their business. Thank you for watching and have a lovely time.